What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. A bit of a retrace for Casper today. I hope y'all are using that to DCA into Casper, man. You wanted an entry? Here's your entry. You buy in the red, man. You buy in the red. That's what you do. Caspians, I'm back. Thank y'all so much for the continued support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. Go support the previous Casper videos, man. We should be at 10,000 views per video when we cover Cas, man. I want to see huge support. I want to see huge awareness. I want to see Cas viral on YouTube. As soon as people open up YouTube, the first thing they see is Cas, man. Out of the millions of cryptos, which is, I think we're at millions of cryptos now, Cas is in the top 5, the top 3, potentially the top 2, man. So Caspians, thank y'all so much for the support. We're gonna get into it in this one, man. Cas right now, like I said, is down 6%, $722 million in market cap, 30 million in 24-hour trade volume. Jeez, man. 3.6 cents for Cas, man. If you're looking to get into Cas, now's your opportunity, man. You're not buying a big red candle, right? You're not buying at 4 cents. You're buying at a retrace, which is the smartest thing to do, man. This is when you DCA. From Crypto Whale Power, Cas see you at 5 cents. Crypto Whale Power once again. Oh, so you're scared? That means let's start buying. 3.6 cents. Level is making bears rethink their shorts. LFG. People are bearish. Kibel, well, of course it's up big for a big drop now. I wouldn't be so sure on the big drop, man. Max, the beer is finished. It's not a joke, and that's a fact, man. We got the official Casper Twitter, almost at 100k followers, 66.8k followers on Twitter, and they just wrote up, they just shared another installment to the book of Casper from Bubblegum Lightning, man. Let me like and retweet this. You know, that'd be something that you guys could go through. It's a number of different Medium articles speaking about the technology of Cas and what it's all about, how it's being developed, the community, all of that, man. A very nice read from another community member in Casper, man. Very nice stuff. Casper to Cardano, compared to Cardano, would put Cas at 53 cents, and I think, in my opinion, Casper's technology is way better than Cardano's technology. $1 to $5 Cas, incoming, man, incoming. Don't miss your chance, man. Jim Skibum, I think a transfer of wealth is happening from Cas, from BTC to Cas. Very apparent on the Casper Bitcoin peer. At the very least, altcoins and fiat are going into Cas, but I suspect it's more than that. Bitcoin is 13-plus-year-old technology and has had its time in the sun, but at some point the torch gets passed on the better, more scalable decentralized currency, and the top of running is none other than Cas, a proof of work running at 10 blocks per second. You can see, man, Cas compared to Bitcoin, typically projects don't perform so well against Bitcoin in these market conditions. They don't. But Cas is crushing it, man. It's a beast. It's a unicorn, and it's going ballistic, and it continues to go ballistic, man. You guys see, Aviv Zohar, Dr. Aviv Zohar, was one of the OGs of Bitcoin, you know, way back in the day, and he and Jonathan Sampelinski were took part or were collaborative in the effort of creating Casper. Very bullish stuff. Casper Kev, polls are great. Creating wealth is better. Cas versus ADA 1 year. So they got which one is better between Cardano and Casper. Ooh, okay. Cardano up 56%, but Casper is at 43%. You know what's so crazy about this, right? Even if Casper is on the, you know, the lower end, it's still pretty close, and I wouldn't be surprised Casper wins, right? But what is super crazy about this poll is that Cas hasn't been around as long as ADA has. Cas doesn't have that huge community that ADA has. It doesn't. And it's at 43%. It's not a blowout. It's so close, right? Think about that. Normally, it would have been a blowout. Like Cardano would be at like 70%. 80% and Cas would be at like 20 to 30%. Nope, it's like it's almost neck and neck, man. It's crazy. And Cas is such a brand new project, right? People are waking up, man. That's what that poll shows me. Bubblegum Lightning Final, the book of Casper render, designed by Rhubarb Media, illustration by Flex Bisto. Home stretch, now we wait for the review. Oh man, Bubblegum Lightning putting together a whole book, like all the chapters put together into a book, man. That's gonna be great. Can't wait to get one. I'm proud to be a Caspian. Fire emojis. I need this. This is amazing. Congratulations. This is awesome. Wow, that's great. That's crazy. I saw Cas trending on Twitter. I told you guys, Cas is trending everywhere, man. Casper enthusiast. Casper is one of the one way to the top, on its way to the top of the crypto and kicking up a lot of dust in the process. So it's not surprising that Cas is popping up in the trends every day. I'm kind of like I know my reading right now is kind of like off, guys, but I'm, you know, kind of out of it because it's just consistent uploads all the time. You know, YouTube is tough, man. So, but you know, you got to keep pushing, man. You got to keep pushing. So right here, we got Cas at 119k tweets, and it was actually trending. I saw it trending as well. I was like, whoa, I got to talk about this, right? Cas is blowing up everywhere, man. Everywhere. Soon it's gonna be at 1 million to 3 million to 10 million tweets on Twitter. And yeah, the growth just continues for Cas, man. All the Caspians out there, if you got your bag, let's just, you know, let's just ride it out, man. Gains for all of us. They say, you know, WAGMI isn't a thing, but this is the first time I feel like WAGMI is a thing, man. Documenting Casper passed Litecoin in 24-hour emissions, ranking at number 3 for the first time. What? Casper surpasses Litecoin. Casper surpasses Litecoin in hash rate, in mining emission. What? Insane, man. So there's only 2 other proof of work projects that's above Cas, and that's Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Dang. You know that, you know, Dogecoin is gonna get surpassed. Dogecoin has such a huge community. Yeah, Dogecoin is gonna get surpassed before you know it, guys. It's gonna get surpassed, man. The miners love Casper, man. The miners love Casper. From Ben BTC Cas, number 3 proof of work produced after BTC and Doge. Comparing market caps, hash rates, and proof of work produced in 24 hours, Cas with market cap of Litecoin puts 33 cents per Casper. 33 cents per Casper, and it's gonna go higher than that when it surpasses since it's already surpassed Litecoin. When it surpasses Doge, which eventually it will, it's gonna be over, man. It's gonna be over. So yeah, Cas surpasses Litecoin in proof of work hash rates, right? And if it surpassed it in proof of work mining hash rate, eventually it's gonna surpass Litecoin in market cap, which put Cas would put Cas at a 33 cent price, right? That's a round of just a little bit under a 10x from here, guys. And we already know Cas is going even further than that. $1, $5 incoming, man. Super crazy stuff. Captain Sats, Cas Dagnite, well worth the read. Holders, you should have eyes on this too. NC proof of work breaking barriers. Even Ethereum holders should pay attention. They are the same people behind Ghost, written by Deshay. Shout out to Shy, man, one of the community developers of Cas. So what makes Dagnite so exciting? Simply put, is a perfect proof of work based consensus algorithm. It satisfies all points in the Desiderata. Recall that the huge advantage of GhostDAG over all other proof of work algorithms is that it removes the security constraints on throughput. In all other texts, increasing the block rate directly increases orphan rates. whereby killing the security. Some tech also allows sharding the network and then increasing the number of shards while retaining slow block rates on each separate shard, whereby increasing the block rate but retaining slow confirmation times, as well as many other issues consequential to sharding, such as load balancing and data availability issues. However, they still do not allow increasing the block rate in each shard. GhostDAG is the first proof of work to allow reducing block rates on a non-sharded network, which is the reason it can achieve unprecedented confirmation times. Crazy write-up, guys. If you guys want to go through the whole thing, be sure to check out Captain Sat's Twitter. He always got some bangers. Everybody I share on Twitter, Jim Ski Bum, Captain Sats, Block Chirp, all of the Caspians got some, Casper enthusiasts, all the Caspians got some crazy stuff documenting Casper. Man, like, the community is literally like pushing this project like it's the next Bitcoin, and it really is, like, from a technology perspective, but even better. It's like Bitcoin on steroids, Adderall, energy drinks, Red Bulls. Like, you can't fade this one, man. You really can't, man. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cass and myself will be in the description. I am so spent, y'all. Like, I am so spent. I feel terrible, but I still gotta make this content for you guys. So please support, man. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't stress that enough. And I'll catch you in the next one.